Welcome to my vlog, guys.
No, welcome to my guys. Oh yeah, once in a lifetime experience. Look, man, say hi. Say hi. Luca, say what's up, man.
What's up, man? With shades on. What's up?
Cool, dude. So this is gonna be epic. We're going all the way to Janong. We're going to Santa Ana.
Santana Beach.
Yeah, we're going to Santa Ana Beach, the beach of this place. It's about how many hours? 2, 3, 4 hours. 2 hours drive. It's on video. For the river. Huh? Like literally I've received zero messages. And now we're coming back onto the highway because this is the way to ultimately get there. On the back of the truck though. Now we're on the regular schmegular road, bro. What is that? Ah. What? What? So we have arrived at the location, at the beach house location. Went through an extreme weather patch of rain and stormy weather, and here is Tito Michael on the video. Say what's up.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you, dude. And yeah, so it was kind of an extreme experience to go through that weather on the back of the truck, really. So everyone was kind of like freezing, had their towels wrapped around them, and then we survived and made it to the location. Okay, Ben. Go, bro. Oh.
Volleyball. What is volleyball?
Ballet. Volleyball. Zayo. Hey, what's up, dude? Yeah, man. And we have Janong and the girlfriend of Janong and the Big Ed and Charlene and Ariana Grande.
Yes.
Small Batista. Hey bro. Yo, what's up, man? Are we in a video? do be on the beach though. Made it to the sea, bro. Say what's up, bro. Yeah, gotta do what's right and catch a dip in the sea, because that is what you do when you come to the sea, right? What's up, dude? Some of the families over here. So yeah, let's try to do a dip.